Here we have a camper van. It's not a new camper van, it's quite a few years old. And what they asked us to do is retrofit a reverse camera to it. So it doesn't have reverse camera as standard, didn't have one when it was originally built. So we installed it afterwards. So let me just show you. So what we've done a mirror monitor. So if you come over here and have a look. So we replaced the actual factory mirror with the screen mirror. It's still reflective, so you could actually see what's behind you. And if I show you the original mirror, that's the original mirror that came with the vehicle. So that's the stalk. So what we've done, we replaced it with a stalk that fits the original Fiat housing. And because it hasn't got a screen stereo, it's just got a normal stereo, we've done that so you haven't got a monitor that just sits on the dash. It's out the way, it's not intruding anything. So what I'll do, if I turn it on just to show you. So put into reverse. And that's the picture that you've got behind you. Which is a nice clear picture with a 6.5-inch screen. So let me show you the camera. If we go back out, and I'll meet you over there. And what we've gone for is a camera that replaces the original brake light. So all the brake light fittings go in there, so the brake light still works, but the camera is attached to it. And it just looks neat doing it that way, especially on these camper vans, and you can visually see right below. So when you are reversing into something, you can see that. And obviously, all the wiring's all hidden, so there's no wiring that you can see. So there's an existing camper van, and we retrofitted a reverse camera to it.